Mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan natin ngayon ang impeachment. Tungkol ito sa pag-remand ng Senado sa articles of impeachment sa House of Representatives. Sa paningin ko, tama lang yung ginawa ng Senado was to remand the articles of impeachment rather than automatically dismiss it, because may authority ang impeachment court to remand or to dismiss the articles of impeachment dahil mayroong hindi nasunod na technical procedure, which is a certification that the articles of impeachment was filed for the first time. Another probable cause was the lack of certificate of authentication and verification. So, mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po. Ito'y legal opinion ko lang. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.